A question that I have, and it makes me think about it every time I see it, but when my neighbor is getting a roof replaced, it kind of crosses my mind. Does that mean I should have somebody come look at mine? Is it, is there probably hail damage involved? What do you think about that if you see your neighbor getting their roof replaced?
Well, first off, I would say yes, get it looked at.
Okay.
But on the other side of it too, I would say, why is it being replaced?
Mm-hmm.
Is it because of hail, or is it because it's a manufacturer's defect, or is it because maybe it was just an improper installation and they had to pay out of pocket to get it done? Get the information, gather the details, and then make a decision based on that.
And to have a roofing company come out and do an inspection, is that going to cost me anything as a homeowner?
No, it should never cost you anything as a homeowner.
Okay.
Now, I can't speak to every company. I know that we do not. That's something that we just do as a courtesy to the homeowner to let them know where they are with their property damage. That should be standard across the board. I don't know of a roofing company that does that, but I've heard of it. So